Jonyuol medo kwayo jatend migao mar somo mondo mi ochwal omenda mag somo ne skunde mondo mi ogeng' jotend skunde kuom oro jopuonjre dala e kinde gi makoro gidok e skul bang' yo machuok. Jakom riwruok mar jonyuol e skul ma sekondar ma St. Mary's Yala, Linus Njisinjei, wacho ni deko mar omenda mawuok e piny owacho mamalo rocho chenro mag somo e skunde mag sirikal. Ne gilose skundno e kinde mane jatend migao mar tudruok Eliud Owalo oyawo lab mar somb lony manyasani kama bende nochiwoe masinde mag kompyuta maromo 5. Chutho jopuonj kod jonyuol opo chenro mag piny owacho majiwo lony manyasani e skunde.
To support our students here, that would be a big plus. I can tell you we've not sent students home in this school for this year for fees, but things are very tough. If there's something that we can be able to do to help in terms of capitation of these students, it's very okay. And again, related to the digital laboratory, the parents are already contributing something to it, but I told you it is going to help in cushioning the school in terms of their programs, and if you can come in hand in that, that will be so kind of you.
I want to really thank you for the computers you have brought us. The digital laboratory is a serious Kenya Kwanza manifesto pillar. And I think we are the very first few institutions that have benefited from it as you roll it out throughout the country.
The purpose of this digital laboratory is to empower you by way of digital skills. ICT skills is imperative today in life. In everything that you are going to do, you require ICT skills. And I'm just here as an emissary of His Excellency the President, who has got a very, very, very high level of passion for technology. In their bottom-up economic plan, our policy framework for government, ICT is at the center of it. We are going to launch these digital laboratories in educational institutions. We are also going to connect internet all over the country so that we have reliable, affordable, and stable internet.